Hello, winners! Today we proudly explain how OPO investors achieved 229% profit in 15 months with the Triveni Engineering and Industries Limited stock. Triveni Engineering and Industries Limited is a manufacturer and engineering solution company. We recommended buying this stock on 22nd July 2020 at 11 a.m. and suggested price was near or below rupees 55 and rupees 50. We had mentioned the target price between 64 to 125 Indian rupees. We have achieved all the targets successfully and now obtaining a price of rupees 184 and 55 paise. We acquired it under our suggested time 3:30 a.m. of 29 September 2021. Be a part of these kinds of achievements, and you can join our premium services and know the manner of the successes in the stock market. Go with the given link below in the description box. To experience some more relatable recommendation videos, you can subscribe to our Only Profit You Academy channel and stay updated always. Would you please share our videos with those interested in investing or trading in the stock market? It can be a game changer for them.